In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page layout in Notion. Changing the layout of a page in Notion is a simple way to make your workspace feel cleaner, more focused, and easier to navigate. Whether you're setting up a dashboard, a project page, or just a personal notes area, adjusting the layout can really improve how you see and use your content. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you have the Notion page open that you want to adjust. Once you're on that page, look toward the top right area of the screen for the settings icon. Depending on your version and theme, this is usually represented by 3 dots, or a small icon that opens page options. Go ahead and click on that settings icon. This opens a menu specifically for that page, giving you access to things like page style, sharing, and importantly for us, layout options. When the menu appears, take a moment to look through it. You should see an option labeled Layout, or something very close to that. This is the section where Notion groups all the page layout controls. Click on Layout to open those settings. As soon as you do, you'll see different layout choices that affect how your content is displayed on the page. Now it's time to select the layout you want. In this layout section, you might see options related to page width, such as a default width or a full width view, and sometimes other layout styles, depending on the type of page or database you're using. Simply click on the layout option that best fits how you want your page to look. When you make a selection, Notion will apply those changes immediately, so you can see the effect right away. Take a moment to scroll up and down the page after selecting your layout. Check whether text, databases, and images feel easier to read and organize. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can reopen the settings icon, go back into the layout section, and pick a different option until you're happy with how everything is arranged. That's all you need.